Welcome to the AKKO Partner Portal. This is an overview of the marketing section. Here in this red button is a link to a Google Drive that has different folders in it containing our marketing materials. We are adding different things to this and updating it constantly, so be sure to check back often for what's new. When you select which materials you would like to put in your store, out of the different posters and countertop displays that we have, find a local print supplier and have them make the sizes that you need. You may also need hangers or holders to go along with getting these up into your store. So feel free to submit the costs along to us for all these and we'll reimburse you. The way to do that is to take pictures of the receipts for the hangers, holders, and the printing, along with pictures of the materials up in your store, and submit those to partner-support@gettakko.com and we will gladly reimburse the cost for you. Let's find out what we have for marketing at the moment to give you an example of how the Google Drive works. Click the red button. You'll be brought over to Google where you can see our different subfolders here. We have countertop displays. Here's another one. You can find the navigation buttons at the top here, going back to our retail print materials. Find posters. Here's a poster for our AKKO plan. Here's that same poster hanging in a shop's window. And here we have a poster for our phone-only plan. And there is that same poster hanging in a shop's window as well.